Remember, I'm telling you something, I'm a chef, you know. So today is cooking with Valiant. But I changed my name a little bit because I'm in the kitchen and when I'm at home, I call myself Valianto. And I'm serious about this, so everybody tune in. So we're doing corned beef and rice today. I call it uchella. Uchella. That's a different type of word in France. It means corned beef and rice with corn. Uchella, you can look it up. So we're gonna start off first by washing our rice. When you wash your rice, them, you don't want to overdo it. You know, 3 times you wash your rice, you don't want to overdo it. Okay, you know? That one you do. So you don't know, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to put on the pot with the oil night. So just go on, you know, warm up and then throw in the vegetable and things. Now I'm going to drown the pot. Test it. Oh, now look at us, so I look like you know something. I can't them my other right now. Let's come here, because it can't be for bun up. You not smell it, bird? You not smell it? Come like a ton more and turn the corned beef in a porridge. So, I basically eat this. No, can't make me feel like me can't cook. I don't share my food. Me want to eat it. Like I season my cook, I mean I bun me the pepper and it's run. It's nice still. Who like pepper food?